Hello all, we are learning a state law. Now in this session, we will learn how we can implement if-else using a junction. Okay, so this is the top level of our model. I'll let you know how does it work. So this model the chart checks if a given number is greater than a particular threshold value. That particular threshold value, this th, you can see able to see here the teacher that this is a threshold value and this is the input and this is the output. Okay, if particular threshold value, in this case we are using 3.3. okay, if it's a greater than if it's a greater than 3.3, then it's written 1 here as an output, or else it will return 0 if it's a less than that. Okay, or if it is less than 0, then it will return a -1. Okay, so we are trying to implement here if-else junction. First if-else condition is like where if it is greater than 3.3, then output is 1. If it is 0 to 3.3, output is 0. But if it is less than 0, then our output is -1. Okay, so I'll show you inside this logic how does it work. So you can see here, okay, my default node is entering from here. Okay, and my first priority is to check this input is greater than equal to threshold. If it's greater than equal to threshold, then my output is 1. And this is my end of the state from here to here. Okay, second priority where my input is less than or equal to threshold and input is greater than 0. Okay, so in that scenario my output is 0. If these both are not passed, then my output is -1. You can see. So this how this junction will work, it will come from here, it will check this is the first priority, this is the second priority. For this junction, this is the first priority and this is the second priority. In this way, this is work. Okay, so now we will see how does it work. Now I'll simulate the model. This is a runtime simulation, okay, with some pace value. Now in the first scenario, it will return -1 because here I am having a constant as a -3 point something some value. But when you can see this is my threshold, this is my output here, you can see. Okay, now I'll move this to somewhere around 0 plus. So once it is greater than 0 or equal to 0, then it will return 0. On equal to 0 also it is returning -1. But once it is greater than 0, it will return 0. You can see here -1, now 0. But once it is greater than 3.3, you can see it's become a 1. So I'll try to get it here at 3.3 correct, you can see. So it is quite difficult to adjust this at low. You can see at 3.1 it is 0. Once it will become greater than 3.3, output is 1. So in this way, the if-else using junction we can implement, and this thing we'll use in future in the projects. So this is a slider library block which I have used from the library. Okay, we can get it into the dashboard libraries. Okay, so that's all about this if-else junction. Okay, thank you. Bye.